in the past, when I'm talking to people, they close up. They close up. So I can can tell them all the reason, all the good thing, and then thinking I'm helping them. In the end, I'm not. So right now, I see that wow, they have some realization on themselves. It's because of the conversation, and that I allow them to be in their flow. Engineering for 16 years. So while I developed myself very strongly in technical area, I asked myself a question: how can I help the engineers other than technical? Is there some other way I can work with the engineers so as to be able to deal with the stress? Why did I get into coaching part of NLP? I want to be able to talk to the engineer, and then they're able to find some way to help them. And I can only do that if I empower myself to be able to talk to them in a way that can help. I'm not the person who talk or like to talk, but I find the need because of the people that I lead. So I want to develop myself, and that's where coaching comes in for me. I initially thought that the coaching certification is about getting more practice and integrating all the tools that I've learned, right? Because that's what I feel I'm lacking. But in the end, when I go into this, it's not only that. I find that it also addresses my internal struggles and internal, insecurity. Yes. So I find like I was usually very procedural, and I need to stick to this. If not, I've been very hard on myself. As a result of this course, right, I find not only I'm practicing, but I find myself getting more into the flow and then being easy, and not being hard on myself. Like I say, I have a lot of self-limitation, so I faces all this during this practicum and masterclass, and it's good. I get to face them, and I get to work with them. What is good is I get to work both sides. One is the processes. I have a lot of practice, and I get more familiar. But at the same time, with practice, now I'm getting more finesse, and how I am being as a coach, how I can be myself, and yet able to help the coachee. So I feel this is very empowering for me, and I see that as a result also in my coachee, being able to allow them to speak up their mind and also tell me what is their issues, the real issues that they have. So I find myself doing a lot of problem solving in the past, and I'm developing myself into more coaching. That means to empower the coachee to come up with solutions themselves and allowing them to be in a safe space. I think the coaching certification has enabled me in both the tools and process, and also the beingness of a coach. What is very important for me is the beingness of the coach, which is actually helping me to be to be myself and able to really enjoy the coaching process. Yeah. And to really work with my strength. And actually I got a lot of feedback also to reaffirm me that actually I am someone who is able to provide safety to my coachee so that they can really talk more. But I didn't know that, and then I was always been no confidence, but now I am aware, and I feel that it helps me a lot. I come back feeling very happy every time coming back to practicum. Yeah. And every time I come back, I learn something new. It's not new things, it's always there. It's just that this time is an added layer, an added layer, an added layer. Yeah. So I enjoy it.